Guys, today in Dyana's kitchen, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make some roti, guys, from scratch. Let's start, guys. This is everything that I'm going to use to make my roti, guys. Okay, you're going to need a bowl, guys. Alright, I'm using 2 cups of flour, guys. This is my flour. I have some milk here, guys. Okay, room temperature milk. And I have some baking powder here, guys. This is the baking powder. I have some yeast here, guys. Alright, and I have some sugar here, guys, and some salt. Okay, all right, so right now I'm gonna put my yeast here. This is a pack of yeast. You don't have to use yeast, okay? You can just use the baking powder alone. In Jamaica we don't use yeast, we just use the baking powder. All right, so this is the baking powder, guys. So I'm gonna put, guys, just a little pinch of baking powder. Okay, just a little pinch of baking powder. All right, and this is the sugar. All right, I'm gonna use, guys, like a teaspoon of sugar, for the sugar help with the yeast. Okay, you're gonna put, guys, a little pinch of salt, you know, for the taste. Okay, all right, so now, guys, we're gonna mix. Okay, all right, so this is room temperature milk. Milk is room temperature. Okay, you can, if you don't want to use the milk, you can use water. Okay, but if you use water, look, make sure the water warm. Okay, if you're going to use the yeast. If it's not, if you don't use the yeast, guys, you can just use regular water with the baking powder. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put it on to soak for about half an hour or 40 minutes. Either. Alright, guys, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put this down because I don't want to pressure it too much. Okay. Alright, guys, so this is the dough. If you need some flour on your board or where you're rolling out your dough, if you need some flour, you can just put some flour. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on my cutting board. Okay, so, guys, you want to do, you know, just do like this, and then you can just take your time and roll it a bit, you know, like you roll it in a ball, the motion in the ball. Okay, then you're going to use the your roller and roll it out. Yeah, I don't want to roll it out too much. I want to keep it in that ball shape. Okay, and then I'm going to put, you know, I'm going to oil it a bit. Okay, so that's one. Alright, this is another one. So just, you know, just keep it in a ball, like a little ball, and you want to roll it a bit, you know, like a little ball. Okay. Okay, so this is another one. If you need some flour on your rolling pin, just put some flour, guys, on your rolling pin if you feel like you need some. Okay. And guys, don't roll it too much out the circle. You want to, you know, have some circle. Don't try to get out of that circle. Okay, guys? Alright, guys, so this is 2, guys. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to oil these with some cooking oil. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to do like this, guys. I'm going to show you another one, guys. Okay? Okay, guys. Have I said keep it in that little circle, guys? Okay. Alright. So right now, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to fry it, guys. Okay? Alright, guys. I will come back to the rest. So let me show you how to fry these. Okay, guys? Alright, guys. Okay, guys. So I just oil this. So I just put some oil. Okay, guys, so make sure you have some oil, you know, just oil it with your brush, brush it a bit with some oil, and you can use butter too, guys, if you want. Okay, but I like to use the oil. Just brush it with the oil. Okay, okay. Alright, guys, so just brush it up a bit and keep it on medium heat. Okay. Now, guys, so now we're gonna flip it. See that? Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful. Have that nice roundness to it, and that's what I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is my roti, guys. Okay. So, guys, you can put it about a minute or 2 on each side, guys. Okay, so you want your roti to well done. Okay, look at this, guys. This looks so amazing, guys. Look at that roti. So now, guys, I'm gonna put another one in. Okay. Guys, you can eat this roti with anything your heart desires. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat my roti with some chicken, with some curry chicken. Alright, I'm gonna show you how it looks with the roti. Alright, see you shortly, guys. So this is the roti, guys. If I show you before, this is it. And guys, this is my curry chicken that I'm gonna eat with my roti. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at that, guys. If you watch the video and you like, guys, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, guys, and share if you like. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.